Happy Monday, and we're out here on the construction site to get an update on Villa Toscana. I'm here with Mike, who's in charge of this massive project, to give us some updates. This week has been very exciting, and we've seen a lot of changes in such a quick amount of time. Mike, can you tell us a couple key things that have happened just recently?
Yeah, so we have hit a couple good milestones this week. Poured the slab Monday, 150 yards, got it all done on Monday. And then following that up with getting this big retaining wall poured yesterday.
Wow.
Had 110 yards getting that thing filled up yesterday. So that's moving right along. They're right now in the process of stripping and cleaning it. And as you can see, we're also bringing in structural steel and getting ready to start erecting steel as well.
Well, it looks like a lot of concrete, a lot of steel. And I know these guys have been out here working in 118-degree weather a couple of these days. So it's been a massive project, but it's very exciting what's going on here. We hope everyone is enjoying some cooler weather, and we look forward to seeing you back here soon. Thanks for sharing a minute.